Great. Yeah, we have a 5-step process that we walk people through, that we really just want to lead down the path of getting the custom solution, that they envision in their mind, right? So that starts with reaching out to us, just making contact. We'll set an appointment at your convenience to come out. We'll have a design consultation with you, understand your dreams, your desires, maybe your safety needs that you're looking for, all those components together. From there, we can create that custom solution, provide you a price to the penny of what that project will cost from beginning to end. And then from there, we go through a remeasure process where someone will come out and take technical measures of the area for the exact components that you need. There's a wait time within the ordering of that. As we've talked about, these are custom solutions, and so the wait times do differ based on the needs of each individual project. 4 to 6 weeks is a pretty good time frame within that. But then as we walk down that path, we come out, we've got everything ready to complete the project. As we said, on average, that takes about 2 days. We get that project completed. At that point, you pay for your project based on the original estimate you got from the beginning. And then from there, our ultimate goal is that Bordner bliss.